dey say any person wey no observe signs go later see wonders. Omo, they are not lying at all at all o. So also dem talk am say if you as a man or a woman you wan marry and the family wey you dey marry enter, dem no want you, dem no accept you, no force am, e get why. Una see dis Two-Face, Oja Idibia and Natasha Osawaru Orobosa matter. E don dey pass be careful. Una hear the drama wey dem talk say e happen for Two Baba Experience wey happen on the 29th of March 2026 for Lagos State, wey be say dem say no be small thing o, because of say im dey celebrate Annie, dey appreciate her for being there because he cannot rewrite his story without putting Annie. Know how he wan take write im story wey Annie no go dey. She dey from the beginning to the very end. Na when e reach to enjoy the fruit of her labour, na im she no come dey there. God no go let dat one be our portion o. Say make we dey hustle finish, when time reach wey we go enjoy, make another person come collect our glory, collect our shine. Wey we come start like say we no ever do before. God no go let am be our portion. Now, according to the information wey Tosin Silva carry come out, say Two Baba and im wife see the drama wey happen on that day. So also people wey go the concert, abi na wetin I go even call am, the Two Baba Experience event. People wey go there, some of them say they also confirm am, say no be lie, Tosin Silva dem dey lie. Now, where we dey find out to know if truly incident like that happen, because they say Honorable Natasha Osawaru Orobosa don dey call out Two-Face family, say dem be agree say dem no go carry their matter come social media again. Say dem wan carry the matter comot for social media so that e no go become a thing of always coming to drag the Idibias, making it look as if na spiritual lewu or something. And that is their agreement, because the last time no be small thing happen wey be say the family, which is the Two-Face brother, they even sue Natasha, put on top of the matter, say make dem leave their brother alone, that they are tired of defending them on this media space. So dem come say talk, since na media na im be the problem wey dem dey get now, because the back and forth and the call me here call me there wey dem dey call Two-Face up and down, na as a result of say the thing burst out for social media. So as such, they are taking their matter off social media, of which people were happy that thank God o, dem wan comot the matter for social media so that everywhere go rest, and even the family too, they go get peace. Anyhow wey Two-Face dey see am for inside house, im go dey endure am like that. E go take am rub body. After all, na im peace of mind. As that one now come happen, na im dey say Natasha bin go dey call the family, say make dem call Two-Face to order o, else they go carry their dirty linen come dry am for outside again. And this time around, make dem no ask her, make dem no call her, make dem no come dey talk say dem wan sue her, dem wan do this one. Na Two-Face dey find her trouble now. Me, am now like, they say the mother of the Two-Face come dey beg say no, say e never reach like that, say she no want any back and forth, say make Two-Face look for how e go settle the matter, say because she is tired, as they dey peaceful 2 days now wey dem no dey call them for any drama, say she really like it. She don want the situation whereby they will call other of the sons now, say see wetin dey happen. They go come dey talk say they don already wash their hand comot for the matter, they no want this, they no want that, because the brothers now, they are not in acceptance. They no even accept Annie and Natasha. Na Annie they even accept, but people dey talk and say when Annie was in the picture, none of the family of the man dey even come visit. But when Natasha came into the picture now, the family dey come visit to dey see am. Where una see am? Make una show me one video where una see am. The one wey we manage see them was when the mother celebrated her birthday. When she celebrate her birthday, just this last year, when all the children come gather, even as they gather, they snap pictures, so they tie face, meaning they are not happy. So tell me, and we don see plenty plenty pictures and videos of Two-Face brothers dem wen dey come wen Annie bin dey. We dey see dem, dey snap together, dey laugh, dey happy, we dey see am for picture. Even though dem talk say believe what you see on social media at your own risk, but at least we see that one, we confirm am. But nothing like that during Natasha's time. But that never be the less. It might be possible that they don't even want to carry their matter come social media. Maybe they snap am indoor. They no wan carry the matter come social media or carry their picture and all come social media. So it's understandable. No wahala for that one. So they say as Mama Two-Face come call the Two-Face brothers dem, letting them know say to see wetin una wife, our wife talk o. Say they went for two baba experience. Fortunately, they even went to this two baba experience. None of his family members were in attendance, not to come talk of his children. None of him children was there. I don't know whether dem dey. Na camera no capture them, we no see them. But I no see any of them. Not even his brothers was there to support him during this journey. Na only the wife in peace of mind wey be Honourable Natasha, na only she dey there with fans and loved ones. But say im family no one, im children no one. Wetin come happen wey everybody come pack well like this? Everybody wan dey im dey, nobody wan ghost anybody. Wetin come dey sup? Na im dey say no be even be that one be the koko. Na im dey come say Mama Two-Face come call the brother say toh, Natasha don start o. Natasha say make dem warn Two-Face now. Say Two-Face don dey look for her trouble. Imagine he went on a public space where dignitaries gather, where did they do this, where did they do that. Two-Face went there and was now practicing the act of appreciating his ex, calling his ex different different name. She wey come be the present, nothing. He no even call her come on stage to come dance with him or something. She just dey there like say she no dey. Not even an introduction. This one, that one. Say who does that? Say if she starts now, they go say she don start. But on a normal time, is it supposed to do that? Now when she don dey form, don dey do her face, he don dey see say omo, something is about to go wrong here. Na im come talk say shout out to my wife Natasha Osaiwaru Orobosa. She has been good. She has been there. God bless her. If not, he no come out from him mouth once say see. He was just busy praising Annie. I'm now like, hey, whether then the family they think well at all. Fortunately, when I just dey think aloud finish, na im they say Two-Face brother, the one wey they call Charlie Brave, come talk say anything wey she wan do, make she do. You cannot force a man from living his life. Say Two-Face no be small pikin again. Na the life wey im wan live, na im go live. You have taken him away already. You shouldn't come and still tell him what to do. That him saying that he is appreciating Annie for absolutely everything. She deserve it. That Annie deserve all the accolade in this life. That she has been there. That they even made a mistake in the very first place. So I believed things wey Two-Face bin dey come dey tell them concerning Annie. That they never judge with caution. They never judge based on say this one. They judge based on say na my brother na him bring the complaint, and that is why they were having problem. Say if only they judge without sentiment, they judge am as matter suppose be. Say then Annie was right in everything, but because they judge say na my brother, make we fight for my brother, na him make the matter get worse to where e reach today. So as such, they no go allow am make it happen again. They no go allow am make it happen again. They will call a spade a spade. That Two-Face is not comfortable. Two-Face is not happy. He is not happy. He is just forming to be happy, whereas he is not happy. That why would she say that he has no right to celebrate Annie? No forget say na him talk am say na him experience 25 years on stage na him wan talk about. I didn't mean talk am say I want to discuss about my life and my wife presently is a different thing. But this one, he want to talk about his music experience, everything about his life, how his life transformed, how he became who he is, the motivation and all. That is the essence of the gathering. So how he want to talk all these things put together if e no involve Annie Macaulay wey be im wife. If e no involve her, how dem wan take do the matter, how dem wan take yarn the story? Of course, it is what it is. So him, he still standing on the ground, say let Natasha do whatsoever she want to do, anything wey please her, make she go ahead do am. Dat if the brother tire, if the brother tire, anything wey e like make him too do, say because they are tired, they are fed up. Na the mama start dey cry, say no, say why would the brothers wey she run come meet go talk say they don tire with their brother? Say abeg, na dem be her eye, na dem be her everything. She no go like make anything happen to them, and that is why she dey come complain now. Say see wetin dey happen, see wetin dey happen. Abeg, make dem talk o, make dem chook mouth for this matter, make dem talk to the Natasha, say abeg make she no get problem with Two-Face, because e no go really make any sen ten ces at all. Say she dey talk not because she is perfect, she just dey talk because she wanted peace to reign, that they are all tired of this back and forth, that the thing come dey look as if no be ordinary, something is wrong somewhere. Because how would a person be for just 7 days wey dey for one week, una go use 5 days use am quarrel, the remaining 2 days una go use am settle? Who does that? Say na wetin Two-Face run away from Annie, na im come dey see times 100. So it is wrong. Na im dey say the brother now come talk am say him o, e dey dare Natasha anyhow wey she want am, they go give am to her, that she don't have any right to tell the brother what to appreciate and who not to appreciate. That somebody that has been in his life deserve the appreciation. If she no know, make she know now. Omo, na that time now I know talk say na true, to be silent is golden. Ademi that time wey Annie come out from rehab, she been come dey do back and forth with them. This one go come defend, this one go talk im own, this one go talk im own. By now, Annie no go get relevance for where dem dey. But because she is innocent, she came back again, she was mute, stay in her lane. Na that one na im come fire them finish. Na that one make their body weak totally. Say they don F up. And this F up now, they dey try everything humanly possible to make sure say dem correct am, make dem correct their wrongs. But the more they even try sef, the more the thing dey jagbada. Because now like this, Natasha has come to stay, and Natasha no ready for anybody. That's why they dey lock their self. No be when you knock, na I go open door. No be how are you, na im dey bring fine. So by the time wey be say I no do you how are you, you go know whether you go do me fine or you no go do me fine. Natasha no send them, she dey do her thing. That's why she dey tell them in advance, make dem warn their brother before she go start. Certificate wey he no get, they go say na she chop am. Make dem warn am now. It's not all about he carry matter case for head. No be that one o. Make dem sha warn Two-Face. Na im the brother say he's not warning him for anything, and that they are celebrating Annie for absolutely everything. They say na when you marry 1, 2, 3 wives, now you go know the difference. Now you go know who you go celebrate and who you no go celebrate. As Annie no dey there now, all the things wey dem talk say Annie dey do, as this one come dey do am times 100, they don dey say am say omo, na Annie still better pass o. Make I no take chances, because make it make sense. What is the essence of you going to call the family say make dem warn their brother as if na small pikin? Something wey be say na differences wey una go fit settle and everybody go enter house go dey alright. You carry am for head. Na im the brother say no, e no fit work like that o. E no fit work like that. Let her do her worst. Anything wey she wan do, make she do am. Na Two-Face too deserve anything wey im get, because Annie really went through a lot, and that he will keep on celebrating Annie till the very end, because she has done no wrong and she did not deserve what she got. So una don see am sey dis life e no balance at all, e no balance. But last last, God no go put their family to shame. God no go allow dem see the one wey pass dem. God go touch the heart of the Natasha to do the right thing at the right time, because na just wetin I fit talk be that o. Things dey happen. My people, make una come chook mouth o. What are your take? What do you think? Make una come, make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.